This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering generators 1 through 4 so the map and dig sites are active. Once done, prioritize digging for the 3 lightning staff parts and assemble them at the mound workbench. This gives you the base staff to work with. Make sure you also pick up the elemental seed or crystal. This is what charges the staff later and unlocks the next steps. Do these actions early so you can loop back to complex tasks without losing rounds. Now you focus on charging and transforming the staff. Use it to attract lightning orbs from special enemies or map pedestals, because those orbs store the element the staff needs. Place the base staff on the designated pedestal, flip the nearby switch, and survive the enemy wave that follows. This forces the game to register the elemental charge. Once the wave ends and the pedestal sequence completes, carry the partially upgraded staff back to the crazy place or altar to combine the charge and progress to the final step. For the final upgrade, place the charged staff on the last pedestal and activate the ritual sequence. You must survive until the animation finishes and then pick up the upgraded lightning staff. If the animation or pickup doesn't trigger, don't panic. Respawn, re-equip the base staff, or clear the area and try the pedestal activation again, because desyncs sometimes block completion. Finally, make sure you have a safe, zombie-free corner and full inventory slots before starting the ritual to avoid interruptions or lost progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.